Oh man, that looks so good. Yep.
Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you as
Amazing.
spring
Love it.
comes. It's like the heat
So yeah, we rebuild we're the only ones in actually North America that can have these spoiler rams rebuilt with upgraded internal parts, with upgraded pumps system that's actually part of the unit that actually pushes the rams for your spoiler system. And we're the only ones right now that are doing it. Top Automotive for the 911 turbos, Carrera, GT car, and of course Caymans and those for the hydraulics. And it's still, you get to keep your original hydraulic system in here instead of going with like a system like electronic rams, which I have in my personal 911 turbo, which is a great system. But if you want to have a stock system with these big, wide, beautiful rams instead of these little thin thumb style, this is the way to go. Stock is always the best, you know? So that's what we do. We're about to put it in the car.
So, we are about to install a RAM system for this spoiler here that is missing right now. So it will actually go up and down.
at your place or a spring break, a heartache. I do it all over again. Do it all over
Okay, so on the convertible cars, as some of you guys may not know, the spoiler system goes up right at about 3 inches, where a coupe version is only 1.5 inches, roughly. We can make a hydraulic spoiler system. If we do a rebuild, a full rebuild on this, we can make your factory spoiler system without doing anything and screwing any kind of spacers to go up exactly the same way like it does on the coupe. Now, the spoiler system on a Porsche is, remember guys, it's not for downforce. It's to keep the upforce from happening and occurring. So from the wind tunnels that Porsche did has nothing to do with downforce. It's for keeping upforce from occurring. So when the car is driving after 70 miles an hour, it's to keep the rear end from lifting. That's what the spoiler system's for. Now GT3, RS, GT2, that's a different system. That's a fixed wing. That's for preventing and allowing the car to actually have downforce and preventing upper lift. So
All right.
you're probably wondering why I got this rag up here. Well, many reasons.
If you get tired, you can
One
sleep on it.
reason, yeah, you can do that. One reason is if any hardware falls in the engine bay, you're screwed, and out of luck, you're never gonna find it. Two, it can get somewhere and mess some stuff up. Definitely want to make sure this here doesn't ever, anything ever here falls. Plus, you can put everything here rested and not have it fall out once you're attaching it.
heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
$6 an hour.
Spring break, a heartache, I do it all over again. Do it all again. Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for you. Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the
Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now, I got these installed, they're hand snug, they're not tight. I'm getting ready to install the spoiler system on here. The whole spoiler is gonna get screwed on with a special tool. I'll show you guys what I'm using. And it's the same way you take it off. You wanna put a towel here, something so you don't scratch your deck lid. This is very expensive to repaint. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna snug the spoiler itself on to the rams, but we're not gonna tighten them. And we're gonna go up and down, and then in the up position, we're gonna snug them up a little bit. Go do it again. We wanna make sure the spoiler's not cocked. We don't want it to be binding. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to seat it and position it, that way we can tighten it.
at your place of a spring break, a heartache. I do it all again.
This fan is gonna go in here too. So what we're gonna do is get our spoilers. We're gonna make sure these are snug. We're gonna loosen them slightly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen them slightly, not a whole lot, just an eighth of a turn, okay? Because we want to install our spoiler so it's not binding. So if it's not with binding, it's gonna break. Okay, so we got this towel here. We're about to put this on. We're gonna line these in the hole, just like that.
Man, it looks so beautiful. I love this look. It's like a double spoiler.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
You never
looking.
seen mine like this?
Well, I've seen it. You know, it's just like you don't get tired of seeing it. It always looks amazing.
Yeah, definitely don't get tired.
And when it drops, it just looks like a single spoiler. It's like you have the benefits of,
Both.
yeah.
Always think of you.
Looking at it here, it's counterclockwise. But looking at it from the bottom, it's clockwise.
It's like the heat on my skin takes me back
special tool.
In the crowd and I think without eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, you're my friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can. But I wanna be happy, happy for you.
Of course. So, you want me to actuate it?
Yeah. Hold it down and hold till the yellow light goes on.
Okay.
Okay, keep it down. Hold on. I'm gonna snug it up. Okay, go ahead and go up with it, Serge.
Okay.
Freaking love it, dude. It's so quiet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me snug it up. Light went away or light's on again?
Light is on right now.
It will be on.
Then I'll walk
Okay,
forward.
cycle, dude. Oh yeah, dude. They're beautiful, aren't they?
So you want me to put it down?
Yeah, please. Okay, go up one more time. Perfect. We're done. Happy inside the cabin. Whenever it gets hot,
Really?
this thing comes on, yeah.
Nice.
Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think without eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, you're my friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh man, it looks so good.
Ready to go up?
Yep. Man, amazing. Love it.
Technology.
Yeah. So
I
perfect.
think sticker on this car was $155,000 back in 2008.
Wow.
So the problem, I didn't tell you guys, the problem with the spoiler system was that it was leaking. It's a common issue with the 996, 997s, and all the other Porsches that have the hydraulic system. It had the air, spoiler air light that kept appearing on the dashboard. Customer basically was just like, look, I've had it, let's get this thing done. And if it gets bad, it starts to actually jam one side. The left ram seems to leak on these before the right ram starts to leak. So we have 3 systems that we just did for customers, and all of them had the left ram leak. So this is a kind of a most common one. The seal in the back starts to leak. I'm actually going to show you a spoiler system that we haven't rebuilt yet, and it has a leaking bottom section of the ram. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so what happens is this one here, we had a leak in this section on this ram here.